The market's been on a wild ride lately. We've seen record highs in some sectors, while others are starting to cool off. Investors are asking the same question: is this just the beginning of a bigger run, or is a correction around the corner? Pullbacks are normal and even healthy, but they also create opportunities. Right now, I'm watching 5 stocks that stand out for October, companies from very different sectors, but all with strong catalysts behind them. Let's break them down one by one. Let's start with PayPal. Digital payments aren't going anywhere. If anything, they're expanding faster than ever. PayPal processes over $1.7 trillion in payments annually, compared to just a few hundred billion 10 years ago. Now, the stock hasn't been a winner lately. It's down year to date, which makes it a contrarian play. But here's the upside: the company's margins are improving, and efficiency is at an all-time high. On top of that, PayPal is trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio in the low teens, well below the market average and its own history. For investors who believe in the long-term growth of digital transactions, PayPal looks undervalued. Next up is Amazon. At over $2 trillion in market cap, it's already a giant, but it hasn't kept pace with other mega-cap tech names this year. That underperformance is exactly why it's interesting right now. Amazon is firing on all cylinders. Revenues are near $670 billion, and margins are the strongest they've ever been. Yes, they're spending heavily on artificial intelligence and cloud infrastructure, but that's an investment for the future. The payoff will be massive free cash flow growth in the years ahead. Amazon has always been a stock that rewards long-term patience, and with its valuation now below short-term averages, it's a rare chance to grab a discount on a market leader. Of course, no list would be complete without Nvidia. It's the largest company in the US right now, worth $4.3 trillion, and its rise has been fueled by dominance in AI chips. But Nvidia isn't just about GPUs anymore. They're expanding into data centers, robotics, and even automotive technology. That means new revenue streams beyond their core business. And with free cash flow exploding, Nvidia has the financial strength to keep leading innovation. What surprises many investors is that, despite the run-up, Nvidia is still trading below its historical valuation averages. It's not cheap, but it's not overpriced either. For those who want exposure to AI, Nvidia remains the cornerstone. Now let's shift gears to a less obvious AI play, Vistra Corporation. Most people don't connect utilities with artificial intelligence, but here's the reality: AI needs power, and lots of it. Vistra, with its $68 billion market cap, has been riding that wave. Its stock has surged this past year because demand for electricity, especially from data centers, is exploding. What makes Vistra stand out is its strong position in nuclear energy, a clean, steady source that can meet rising demand. Financially, margins are strong, revenue is growing, and valuation metrics like PEG and EV/EBITDA suggest it's reasonably priced. Vistra is a smart way to play the backbone of the AI revolution, the power grid itself. Finally, let's talk about Phillips 66. Unlike the others, this is a more traditional energy play. With a $55 billion market cap, Phillips 66 has been climbing this year, up over 20%. Oil prices have been steady in the $60s, but if they climb higher, Phillips 66 is positioned to benefit directly. The company's earnings are tightly tied to crude prices, giving investors leveraged exposure to the energy cycle. Valuation is still fair, with a forward price-to-earnings ratio in the mid-teens. And with money rotating back into energy stocks, Phillips 66 could continue to surprise investors in the months ahead. So there you have it, 5 very different stocks for October: PayPal in digital payments, Amazon in e-commerce and cloud, Nvidia in AI hardware, Vistra in utilities, and Phillips 66 in energy. Together, they cover a wide range of themes: technology growth, AI expansion, rising energy demand, and sector diversification. That balance is key, especially in a market where momentum and corrections can happen side by side. Which of these stocks do you think has the strongest upside right now? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, successful investing is about spotting opportunities before the crowd catches on.